Hello, today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious and tasty native jollof rice. So grab a drink, sit down and watch me cook. Welcome to Home of Deliciousness, but before we start, so I'm going to start by putting some palm oil in the pan and then adding some onions. The list of all the ingredients I use will be in the description box below. And give it a stir for about 45 seconds. Next, add your tomatoes. I'm using chopped habanero pepper, but you can use any pepper that you have, and you don't even have to use pepper if you don't like spicy food, so it's totally optional. Next, I'm going to add some Maggi cubes. After stirring everything, go ahead and cover it and let it cook for about 3 minutes. Make sure you keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. Next, we're going to add some crayfish. Actually, there's no native jollof rice without crayfish. Comment below if you disagree with me. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to add my deboned mackerel fish. Then add a little water. Cover and let it cook for 7 minutes. Occasionally stir it so it doesn't burn. Cover for another 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, I added some water. I didn't know my camera didn't capture it, I'm sorry. I now added some Cameroon pepper and some salt. You don't have to add pepper if you don't like spicy food, so pepper is definitely optional. Give it a quick stir, cover it and let it boil. It's now time to add the parboiled rice. Let me know down below if you need me to make a video showing you how to parboil rice. Cover and let it cook. The rice is looking good already, but as you can see, it's still not ready because it's a little wet. We need all the water to dry up. Cover it for an extra 7 minutes. The native jollof rice is ready. Comment down below and let me know what drink will go with this. Coke, Fanta, malt, Sprite. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.